With your job set, it's time to add products. Whether you're using the 3D Room Planner or the catalog-style product library, you'll have access to the same products and detailed settings, just with slight formatting changes. For this walkthrough, we'll be starting from the product library. Navigate to the product library. You'll have access to base cabinets, tall units, wall cabinets, and pantries, to name a few. Pick your cabinet type, then find your specific cabinet. Adjust the size to suit your space. Let's say you want a height of 720mm, a width of 500mm, and a depth of 560mm. Make sure to explore the info icons for tips as you go. For example, this outlines that depth is for the carcass only, and will not account for the thickness of your chosen door material. So if you need a finished size of 580mm, accounting for the 18mm door thickness, set the depth to 562mm. Choose your top style. You can also select a recessed handle option here as well. As you scroll down, you'll be able to select your supply method. The supply method lets you choose how your products arrive, flat pack or assembled. If you select assembled, hardware is included automatically, since everything will come put together. For flat pack, you can decide whether you want your hardware supplied or just the panels drilled to your specs. You can also choose if your cabinetry is drilled for adjustable legs or not. So if you want to have adjustable legs or set up ladder frames, the choice is yours. If you want the legs included, simply make sure supply hardware is ticked. Next, head to the Materials tab to choose your exterior and interior finishes. Use the search function to quickly find a specific material, or select Browse Colors to explore the full range. The edges will automatically update to match your chosen material, but you can adjust them manually if needed. All of these features are also available when adjusting carcass materials. For a more detailed walkthrough, check out our dedicated materials tutorial. Indoors, select from all available hinges for that product and set margins for your custom fit. Don't forget to check for hints and tips if you are unsure of any setting. Shelves are up next. Decide if fixed or adjustable, the number of shelves, and tweak advanced options if needed, where you can dial right in on a specific shelf's position, whether that be based on a percentage or a specific millimeter. You can also make it so that a specific shelf is fixed or adjustable, shaped, or is set back by a specific amount. You can also delete any shelf, or reset shelves to even positions at any stage. All of this is reflected in your cabinet preview and will be machined exactly to your specification. Editing a drawer product? Just like with doors, you can set drawer gaps and margins for a perfect fit. As you scroll down, you'll find all the options for customizing your drawer sizes and hardware. Each drawer can be tailored individually. Start by selecting your preferred drawer type. Next, choose the height of your drawer face. By default, all drawers are set to equal heights automatically. If you'd like to customize this, simply switch from auto height to fixed height in the drop-down menu. Then enter your desired value. The remaining drawers will automatically adjust to share the leftover space equally, or you can continue setting fixed heights for even more control. If you change the height of a drawer face and your current runner no longer fits, the system will automatically update to a compatible runner. You can still change to a different runner, but the system makes sure that all of the available options will actually work with your chosen height. If you make a mistake and drop off a digit by accident, the system will pick that up and won't let you save the product until you make that correction. No guesswork, just seamless, accurate selections every time. Need something unique for this cabinet like extra cutouts or drilling? Use the variation request feature. This will be flagged with the team when you submit your project so that any extra costs can be applied for your approval, or a team member can follow up with you. When you're ready, hit save, and your product has been added to your cart, complete with accurate pricing. If you make any unique selections, you'll be automatically prompted as to whether you would like to save these as your default options for your future products. If it's a one-off product, you can choose Save and Don't Update Defaults, or simply select which options you do want applied and select Save and Update Defaults. Now you're ready to add more products.